You want to learn useMemo and useCallback in 90 seconds? Here we go. The useMemo hook helps optimize computation costs for improved performance. Although you should keep in mind that we don't want to prematurely optimize performance, so think of this hook as an opt-in tool to deal with expensive computations that you know are hurting your performance. Let's say we have a counter again, but then we compute an additional property after that called expensive count, which requires some kind of expensive computation. Instead of recomputing on every single render, we can memoize the value. We write a function that returns the computed value, and as a second argument, we add the dependencies to determine when this computation should run. In this example, it would be whenever the count changes. That's great for memoizing return values, but other times, we may want to memoize an entire function. In that case, you're looking for the useCallback hook. When we define a function in a component, a new function object is created each time the component is re-rendered. Usually, this isn't a big deal for performance, but sometimes we may want to memoize the function. The most common use case for this is when you pass the same function down to multiple child components. By wrapping the function in useCallback, it will prevent unnecessary re-renders of the children because they are always using the same function object. What if you want to use a redux pattern to set the state? You can learn how to use this hook in 90 seconds by watching my useReducer video next.